If you notice bees suddenly coating their hive with more propolis in autumn, don't be alarmed. This looks excessive, but it's not a mistake. As temperatures drop in Bee-Croft, Sydney, our bees instinctively ramp up the production and spread of antimicrobial substances, especially propolis, across the hive's interior surfaces. Why? Because autumn is when pathogens like fungi and bacteria try to exploit cooler, damper conditions inside the hive. By thickening these sticky barriers, bees seal cracks and sterilize surfaces, cutting off microbial threats before winter's long confinement. This hidden hive behavior is a crucial survival strategy. Colonies that boost propolis now face fewer disease outbreaks in winter, when ventilation drops and bees cluster tightly for warmth. In Sydney, this is especially vital. The subtropical climate means rapid swings between warm days and chilly nights, creating perfect conditions for disease to spread. Here's the twist. Even weak hives will sometimes outpace strong ones in propolis production as a last-ditch defense to protect the colony. This is what our bees are doing right now in Sydney, preparing carefully for the challenging months ahead.